What's up, guys? This is Jamie with Destination Bigfoot Bronco, and this is my 2022 Ford Bronco Outer Banks Sasquatch Edition, aka Bigfoot OBX. And I want to give you a walk around and show you a few of the mods that I really like that make this Bronco build stand out amongst the others.
I can't get out of bed, no drugs make me bad. I can't get out of bed, yeah, drugs are bad. I can't get out of bed, no drugs make me bad. I can't get out of bed, yeah, drugs are bad.
One of the first things you'll notice on this build is the Advanced Fiberglass Concepts Ram Air Hood, custom painted cyber orange with gloss black Shelby style racing stripes, RTR light mount across the top with Project X FF70s, modular bumper here, RTR grill, JCR winch mount on the front. And the next thing that stands out that I get tons of compliments on besides the hood is the Advanced Fiberglass Concepts forged carbon fender flares. You can actually see the carbon fiber flake picks up really well with the cyber orange paint. Rock slide engineering steps. Then looking underneath the fender flares here, we have Icon Stage 8 CDEV electronic control valve system, aluminum upper control arms there. Then underneath, we have the Stage 3 Bronc Buster steering setup with the Buster braces here. Custom graphics done by RVA Graphics. Destination Bigfoot Bronco there. Max Trax boards with DMOS shovel mount. Trail racks, half rack on top. Brackets along the top here for when I mount my rooftop awning from Rome. Flag mount from Mountains to Metal. Rear chase lights. Borla exhaust. RTR jerry can mount. Mounted to a Mountains to Metal tire reinforcement. Then we've got another DMOS shovel here. Hatchet mount. And that is pretty much it for the exterior. Just wanted to thank Advanced Fiberglass Concepts for making this build look super aggressive with their hood and the fender flares. And if you would like to see any more, you can check me out on Instagram at destination_Bigfoot_Bronco and YouTube at destination_Bigfoot_Bronco. Thanks.